winter weather message for the following
Winter
counties
warning!
in
Let's
Minnesota,
go!
Nobles, and
It's finally
Plastoon.
gone!
Blizzard warning in effect until 6 a.m. Monday. What? Blizzard conditions. Additional snow accumulations up to 2 inches. Winds gusting as high as 50 miles an hour.
Winter warning!
Where? Portions of northwest Iowa and southwest Minnesota.
Finally!
When?
Can't
Until
go
6
It's
a.m.
dead
Monday.
right there.
Impacts. Visibilities may drop below 1/4 mile due to falling and or blowing snow at times. Persons should consider delaying all travel. Motorists should use extreme caution if travel is absolutely necessary. A weather message for the following county.
Yup, it did! Oh my god! Yeah, let's go! You guys toned out! Great! Thanks a lot! Thanks, WR! Thanks, WR120! Thank you, Dating Theo 100. Thank you, WR300. Thank you, WR100 DFP. Man, you guys toned out. You guys really toned out. Really. Good job.